and I just serve it into a small dish from the pot. Here we are, in the dish. I've got a few servings of that, bit of cheese on top of that, and away we go. Good evening all. I'm just going to show you a quick, extremely low carb one pot meal. Fish, ground meat, grass-fed ground meat, and a few extras for the low carb, for the very, very low carb. Okay, it's really tasty and really easy to make. So it's high fat, high protein, and extremely low carb. All right, so have a quick look at this. I've got some Kerrygold butter in there first. All right, so it's all one pot. Ground beef, grass-fed, some salted tomatoes, lovely. I've got some smoked haddock and some wild red salmon. I've got some small prawns, lovely, and I've got some French brie. That's my Italian style meat sauce that I make. I will actually show you how I make that at some point. And it's finished off with cream and yogurt, full fat yogurt. So here we go, simple as this, watch this. So we'll put some beef in here first. So the ground grass-fed meat, it's got to be ground because of my teeth, remember? Not for long. I'll be getting the new teeth in the first couple of weeks of December. So I'll be showing them off. Full set of beautiful Donny Osmond teeth. So I've got the beef in, put the prawns in. I won't put them all in. Tomatoes in. Now I'll put the fish in. So I put the smoked haddock in and the wild salmon for now. So I'll put that lot in for now. I'll just show you what it looks like. There you go, it's all in one pot. This is so easy and really tasty. Oh, I'll put the Italian meat sauce in as well. So this is, I make this, I make loads of it. So next time I make a batch, I'll show you how to make that. This is an absolutely beautiful dinner. A little bit of salt. Use a good salt. A sea salt, a Himalayan salt, whichever you prefer. A little bit of pepper. Okay, it's coming together. So I've put in the French brie there, can you see it, in 4 pieces. Cracked an egg in the middle. And turned the fire down a bit more. I'm looking forward to this. Okay, so I've also added in some full fat yogurt, some double cream, I haven't stirred it in yet. I wanted you to see it. So we're just about there now. I'm going to stir all this in. I'm going to squeeze a bit of lemon in there. I'll do that now.
Ooh yeah! Oh, that's lovely, that is.
And I just serve it into a small dish from the pot. Here we are. Look at that. A one pot, extremely low carb, fish, meat, eggs, dairy meal, evening meal. And this morning I forewent my eggs. I didn't have the eggs this morning. What I had was just a little bit of full fat yogurt, some double cream, and a cup of coffee from that Bialetti pot there. And my choice of coffee, or coffee of choice, is Lavazza. So there we are, turn the fire off. After prepping this meal tonight, I had another sauna, and then I jumped into a cold shower, and I'm really ready now for my dinner. Earlier on I did my dumbbell circuit in the house. I did my outside exercises on the pull-up bars. You can see all that in previous uploads. And I did about a 25-mile bike ride with some hills on my pedal assist bike, of course. And that's of course because of my peripheral arterial disease. So I'm doing everything to fight it and to you know, manage it and make it better, and we'll see how far I get. But right now I'm absolutely joking for this meal. So and that's it. The pan on the table. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is lovely. What did you say? Beef and fish? It works, trust me. Trust me, it works. Here we are, in the dish. I've got a few servings of that. Bit of cheese on top of that. And away we go. So I'm really going to enjoy that. So try it for yourself if you wish. As I say, it's extremely low carb rather than full-on carnivore. And this is how I'll stay, I think. But you can see how low carb I am. And sometime soon I'm going to show you how to make, I'm going to demonstrate how to make my Italian meat sauce. And it's just beautiful. And what I do is, I just bottle them up. You see there's one left in there. I bottle them up and I just freeze them. There you go. The algorithm really doesn't like me on YouTube. Okay, I don't upload often, but please, if you watch the video, please just like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. I'd really appreciate it. Bye for now.